Did you know that most dishwasher problems don't come from being broken down or outdated, but from the way we use them every single day? If your dishwasher is suddenly noisy, stops mid-cycle, smells terrible, or leaves dishes soaking wet, you're not alone. In fact, most of these issues are easy to prevent. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. So let's break down the 8 most common dishwasher problems and how to fix them. Starting with the one everyone complains about. The dishwasher isn't cleaning properly. If your dishwasher isn't cleaning properly, don't blame the machine just yet. Clogged filters, poor loading, and dumping in too much detergent are the usual suspects. Many users also don't realize how crucial the spray arms are. If they're blocked by a large pan or overloaded plate, water circulation suffers. Clean your filters once a week. This ensures food particles and grease don't clog water flow. Arrange your dishes so nothing blocks the spray arms, and follow the detergent instructions. Don't just eyeball it. Too much detergent creates excess foam, which can reduce water pressure during the rinse cycle. Running the dishwasher half-empty wastes water and energy, while overloading reduces cleaning efficiency. The sweet spot is a full, well-balanced load. Bonus tip: use Eco Mode for everyday loads. It uses lower temperatures and less water without compromising on performance, and extends the life of internal components by reducing thermal stress. Consider also using Rinse Aid to help water sheet off the surfaces, improving both cleaning and drying. The dishwasher isn't filling or draining. Now, let's talk about a more serious problem: when the dishwasher won't fill or drain. If you're seeing standing water at the bottom, or it won't even start, it could be a kinked inlet hose, a closed valve, or a clogged drain filter. One common issue is that users accidentally push the dishwasher too far back against the wall, pinching the hose without realizing it. Always leave a bit of space behind the unit. Double-check that the water valve is fully open and that the inlet hose isn't twisted. Clean your drain filter regularly. It collects food waste that can clog the drainage system. Once a month, run an empty cycle with a cleaning tablet to flush out internal gunk. This helps maintain the pump's efficiency and prevents sediment buildup in water pathways. Keep the base of the dishwasher dry and level. Moisture accumulation or a slight tilt might confuse sensors, causing the machine to stop mid-cycle or not start at all. Some dishwashers also use a flood sensor that halts operation when excess moisture is detected beneath the unit. Bad odors coming from the dishwasher. If you're noticing a bad smell coming from your dishwasher, it's likely from leftover food particles, dirty seals, or moisture trapped inside. Rinse your filters with hot water and scrub away any built-up grime. It's not just about cleanliness, it's also about airflow. When moisture lingers, bacteria and mold begin to form. Run a cleaning cycle with a specialized dishwasher cleaner at least once a month. These cleaners break down grease and remove calcium deposits that might cause odor. Don't forget to wipe down the rubber door seals and the inside edges of the door. These are areas most people skip, but are prime spots for mold growth. After every cycle, leave the dishwasher door slightly open. It may seem unnecessary, but it allows residual steam to escape and prevents odor-causing condensation. A simple microfiber cloth once a week along the door frame can make a big difference over time. The dishwasher is too noisy. Excessive noise is a big red flag. If your dishwasher sounds like it's grinding metal or shaking apart, don't panic yet. It's usually caused by oversized or heavy items hitting the spray arms or rattling against each other. Make sure the spray arms spin freely before starting a cycle. Rotate them by hand and listen for any resistance or clicking. Avoid placing pots too close to the sides or arms. Use the lower rack for heavier items and ensure they're securely positioned. If you're using metal mixing bowls or large pans, they tend to vibrate more. Try spacing them out or using silicone bumpers. Eco modes are quieter than standard cycles because they reduce pump speed and water pressure. If you're hearing persistent noise, it could be a failing circulation pump or a clogged chopper blade. These require a technician's help, but diagnosing early can save you from full-blown breakdowns. The dishwasher won't turn on. Electrical error. If the dishwasher won't turn on at all, the problem could be as simple as a tripped breaker or as complex as a fried control board. Start with the basics. Try a different wall outlet. Avoid extension cords or multi-plug strips. Dishwashers are high-power appliances and should be plugged directly into a grounded wall socket. Use a surge protector or voltage stabilizer to safeguard against spikes. Voltage fluctuations, especially in older homes, can damage sensitive electronics inside the control panel. Some models have a built-in delay or reset cycle after a power outage. If your unit doesn't start immediately, give it 5 to 10 minutes and try again. If your control panel lights up but nothing happens, a faulty door latch or misaligned sensor may be the issue. The machine won't run if it doesn't detect the door is closed securely. Listen for a click when you shut it. That sound confirms the latch is engaged. The program stops mid-cycle or freezes. Few things are more frustrating than a dishwasher that freezes mid-cycle. You press start, hear it fill with water, and then silence. Often this is due to unstable voltage, a faulty sensor, or overheating of the control board. First, turn the machine off, wait a minute or two, and turn it back on. This soft reset clears temporary software hiccups. If this happens frequently, you may be dealing with a larger electrical issue. Unplug the unit and inspect for burned smells or discoloration near the board. Use a surge protector if you haven't already. If your power supply isn't consistent, every cycle becomes a risk to your electronics. Some models offer a factory reset. Check your manual for the exact button combination. This can clear corrupt program data and get your dishwasher working properly again. If you still experience freezing, schedule a diagnostic with a technician. Water inlet valves or turbidity sensors may also be malfunctioning. Dishes come out wet and not properly dried. Now let's talk about a classic. Dishes that come out soaking wet. You wait an hour, open the door, and everything's dripping. First, check your rinse aid compartment. Rinse aid reduces water surface tension, helping it slide off glass and plastic instead of clinging to them. Also, make sure your selected program includes a drying phase. Many eco modes skip heated drying to save energy, which means you'll need to manually open the door post-cycle. Consider turning on the extra dry setting if your machine offers it. A door that doesn't seal tightly lets steam escape too early, interrupting the drying phase. Check the door gasket and latch. And if your dishwasher has a drying fan and it's silent, it might be burned out or disconnected. These fans are inexpensive to replace and often overlooked. Your dishwasher is using too much energy. Finally, let's address the silent budget killer: energy consumption. If your electricity bill suddenly jumped, your dishwasher could be the culprit. Modern machines are efficient, but bad habits ruin that advantage. Always run full loads. A half-empty dishwasher uses the same amount of energy but does half the work. If your model includes a half-load function, use it only when necessary. For daily use, switch to eco mode. It reduces temperature and water usage while still cleaning effectively. Don't default to the highest heat setting unless you're cleaning heavily soiled pots. High heat cycles not only use more energy but wear down seals and components faster. If your unit is older than 7 to 8 years, consider upgrading. A+ rated machines can reduce consumption by up to 30% while improving cleaning performance. Also, run your dishwasher overnight during off-peak hours. Many energy providers offer lower rates during those times, and voltage is often more stable at night, extending your appliance's lifespan. General tips to prevent these issues. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to keep your dishwasher running like new. Keep your water temperature between 60 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to clean effectively but safe for your heater. Too much heat shortens component life and risks damaging plastics. If you live in a hard water area, use dishwasher salt. It softens water, preventing limescale buildup in the heating element and spray arms. That buildup causes performance loss and shortens the machine's life. Once a year, have your dishwasher serviced professionally. A technician can clean the heating element, check the circulation pump, and inspect sensors you can't reach on your own. Maintenance today prevents repairs tomorrow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home tips, and share this with someone who thinks their dishwasher is haunted. Until next time, maybe go check that filter.